Greetings, this is Earthman, Origami's Living Soil. Knowing that God is a good God every day, whether we know it or not. I was trying to beat the clouds, and get you a good overhead view of Earthman's garden, my garden. And so the reason is because I have the first plant that busted the 10-foot barrier. These are 10-foot poles, 10.5 feet. I measured them from the ground up. And and these are in 5-gallon containers. This particular plant that broke the barrier is actually in a 3-gallon smart pot, believe it or not. I'm going to save the seeds from this plant. It's awesome. It's a cherry tomato plant, super sweetie. Forgot where I got it from. Might be Etsy, or might be another seed company. So here we are, and I'm going to try to give you a view. Hope you're getting all this. And then I'm on a ladder right now. There is the ground. There's some bins I fill with water to get the chlorine out and stuff till I get osmosis. But yeah, well, I'm up here. All the other plants are getting there, but this is the first one to break the 10 feet barrier. Well, almost. I'd say, yeah, 10 feet. And if it hits the top of those, it'll be 10 feet and almost a half. So the tomato plants are doing very good, and these are out of 5-gallon, not buckets, but nursery bags that are hugelpots that are, 1/3 of the way filled with inoculated wood, and then the rest is inoculated compost and peat, moss, forest moss, and all that other stuff. So I'm gonna come down. There we go. So, yep, there's my ladder. There's the top of the garden again. So, yeah, that's a bird's eye view of the garden. So, that's it. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. May God be with you.